Stop looking at those ugly deflated couch pillows before you spend $50 on new ones. Watch this. Today we're transforming those old accent pillows into brand new looking pillows for almost no money at all. Fantastic. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, and amazing. And what they are basically is pillow covers. These are covers that you can order online. I got a couple of these here matched. We like the red. This is what they look like, and these are super easy to install. They have two different sizes, a couple different looks, a different pattern they have. They have this pattern here, one side, and the other side is just a straight pattern. And how you install them is super easy. This is going to be a pretty quick video. Let me just show you. There's a little zipper right here. You just unzip it right here. And basically you put the pillow inside the pillow. That's how you do it. It's just that simple, guys. Super easy. And it's going to transform your old pillows to looking something brand new and modern. Very, very easy. You just pop them right in. Super easy to do. And you just fluff them. And if you want to either steam the fabric or if you want to iron it afterwards, you can. Really easy. And you just like you're putting a pillowcase on. It's all you have to do. Just like you're putting a pillowcase on. And we'll just slide it in, push it down. And I think the secret to this is really just getting it to conform. Make sure you get the right size. There's different sizes that are available. And just really super easy. Again, you get that zipper, right? The zipper action. Let me just show you that zipper action right here. And let's just close this up like that. And you just fluff it out like that. You fill all the gaps in the sides, and you basically get the idea. You get an awesome looking pillow within a few seconds. That transformation is absolutely before and after. That is amazing. You can see that. Absolutely fantastic. Let me put the second one on. Show you again. And you just, what I would do is when I get done with the video, I'm actually just going to tuck everything in and make sure all the sides are filled. All the sides are correctly filled. Because make sure that's just, because sometimes you just got to get your hand in there a little bit and just fill it in because the pillow's a little old. You just want to get in there and just fill those sides up, just like I just did. Close it up. Now you can see how it's filling in nicely. Same thing with the second one here. Same idea, just like you're putting on a pillowcase. Super easy. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Just to let you know. And also there will be an affiliate link that is available. And I do get a small commission just to be fair and transparent and cost you nothing. Always fair and transparent. Very important. And you get the idea, right? And you zipper it up. Get the zipper. And the zipper kind of disappears. Look at that. You can't even see it. It just like goes away. Absolutely amazing. There you go. Transformation done. What do you guys think? If you like this transformation, you like this, give me a like and a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Hope it brought you some value. I'll leave links for these. These are fantastic quality. We love them. They look fantastic. And you can just see huge transformation if you love red. And here's the other side I was telling you about. Different pattern. So you get two different looks of the same pillow. Absolutely amazing. You got to give it a little fluffy. And honestly, they look absolutely amazing. If you guys like them, let me know. Leave me some comments down below if you think this looks really good, if this is a great idea or not. Let me know. Leave me some comments. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Means a lot. Hit that, smash that like button. Means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.